guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my hood. Okay, so it's December and that means it's a new month, and that means witch's moon box. All right, so let's just get into this, okay? Because I'm kind of tired. So I open it like this, and then we got the instructions, not the instructions, the stuff, you know, the stuff, and the oracle card. Ew. Okay, an oracle card. Let's just start with this. This is pretty. It says, this one is called the Tree of Souls. It says collective wisdom, kinship, group, and library. Oh, pretty. Okay, so let's see what this is called. This one's called The Guided Truth, Gold Edition. Girl, we got a tarot deck. We got a tarot deck. Alright, but let's read the oracle card. Well, y'all already know. It's an oracle card, okay? Oh my god, it said gold edition, and look, the paper gold, this is gold. Alright. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Ooh, girl, look at it. You see that? Oh my god. I'm just gonna get down to the nitty gritty. Ugh, already. Open sesame. Where's my knife? My knife. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Yeah. I'm so excited to see what these look like. Oh my goodness. Look at it. Look at it. Open sesame. Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. Oh my god. Look it. They're all gold foiled. You see that? That is beautiful. And this is what the back. Oh my gosh. Bitch. I cannot wait. Oh my gosh. There ain't no people of color, but it's that's okay. I guess that's okay. This is so pretty. Okay, I'm in love. I'm in love. Alrighty, so yeah, we have that. It's just, oh my god. Okay, anyways, and it came with this Book of Shadows artwork, and it says 12-month spread, and this is a spread you could use with your tarot deck. And 1 is January all the way through 12, those are the months, and 13 is the overall year. So I guess I will be doing this spread probably at the end of the year or New Year's Eve or whatever, because that's beautiful. That's beautiful. So it says, as we step towards a reborn year, we truly want to prepare ourselves for what's to come. This reference can be created to assist you in creating a fearless plan of action as you move on into the new year. We have partnered with a very local talented artist, and they made that. Alright. And the tarot cards, they're just freaking beautiful. And I'm not going to read all of this, but it's beautiful. Every tarot card deck comes with 78 cards, as we know. Alright. Oh my god, they just done outdone themselves. Aww. It opened. Okay. But anyways, we got our bath salts, and it says Yule blessings. Yule is Christmas, for those who didn't know. But Yule came first. And I just, where's the open at? Aw, it burst. Okay, I just, oh, I just want to let y'all know that most of the holidays are pagan holidays. I'm not going to get too deep into it because I don't want y'all under my comments like, you don't believe in God, witchcraft, whatever, you know? But, fun fact, Jesus was not born in December. He was born in spring. 2, Christmas is a pagan holiday, actually, and it's Yule. That's what it's been called for many millennia. It's called Yule, and the reason why we bring Christmas trees into our house is because we bring them in our homes to keep the fae folk warm, like the fairies and stuff who live in the trees outside. We bring it in our house and it's supposed to keep them warm during the winter time. Okay, fun fact. Alright, anyways, moving on. Okay, well, those are the bath salts. It's probably somewhere in there, but you know, they're bath salts. Use them for Yule, for your bath ritual. OMG. We got a spray. Look. Last time they made one of these, this one's called Golden Dawn. The last one they made for like the moon one, I still have it up there because it's called Luna something. That smells great. And as soon as I wore it, people at my job was like, "Man, you smell so good." And I was like, "Thank you." Ooh, this smells good too. Yes, ma'am. It's called Golden Dawn. Can y'all see? I'm sorry I'm not sitting on my bed with my ring light. I'm using the light from my phone because I wanted to sit on the floor. I just wanted to. Alright, so this. It's Aura Spray, Ritual Aura Spray. It is the intention of brightening your perception of the future. And it says all of the practices that we focus on during this time of the year is focusing on the bright future that we intend to manifest. Okay? And visualize a golden orb and things like that. It comes with a little spray nozzle. And that's actually what I'm probably gonna do because Witch's Moon. What? Homie. Whatever, we could just cut the straw. But it smells so good. It smells so good. It smells so delicious. Alright. Ooh! This is pretty. This is pretty. Alright, we're gonna move on to the herbs. Two herbs. I guess we only got 2 herbs. Okay. The herbs are wild cherry bark, which is this. I wonder if it smells like cherries. Nope, not at all. But let's see what it's used for. Oh, it's known to be used for many attraction and love rituals. Cherry bark carries with a strong essence of needing passion for those that work with its natural form. We specifically included this bark with this collection to bring about good luck during your rituals and spell casting as you work through this very special time of the year. Use wild cherry bark in your mojo bags, spiritual apothecary, to enhance the effects. Beautiful! Beautiful. Okay? And then we got, what is this? I don't know how to pronounce this. It's called Star Anise. Anise. It says, carry this with the power to increase psychic abilities, allowing it to fine-tune your intuition during divination. There are many times that we include star anise in our altars to increase the power and presence with our sacred areas. A single star can be placed within your tarot pouch to give strength to your ability to interpret messages that you may receive. That's so nice. In the shape of stalls, and you know we're witches, so that's so cute. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, there's 6, I think. That's beautiful. Okay. Next we got. Ooh, friend. I almost dropped that. Oh my beautifulness. Okay, can we just take the time to appreciate how pretty? Can y'all see that? Let me get the light. Let me get the light. Look how beautiful. Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. All right, let's see how it smells though. Oh, so beautiful. Girl, it smells like vanilla. Oh yeah, I could snort that. All right. What is that called? Oh, it's called Reveler Magical Anointing Oil. Okay. And it has okay, it says you may have to take a moment to accept and prepare yourself to be given answers that you need more than the answers that you want. Period. It says we have enchanted this with magical oil of vanilla, I knew it, cinnamon, lavender, and ylang ylang. And it has hold on. Galangal root and jasmine buds. Include your oil with aluminum quartz, said to personify oneness with the aura, with your aura. That's so beautiful. I don't see no crystal though. Where is she? Oh, I hear her. She's in there. Okay. We got some tea called Temperance. To be honest, I never drink their teas. I don't know why. I really need to start doing so. Girl, this ain't tea, girl. Yes, it is. It's hard. Okay, this tea. What's the tea, sis? And it came with a tea bag. And let's see. It says it's here to assist you with connecting energies that the Temperance card portrays. And it has cinnamon, ginger, black pepper, and all that. So it's to help with this. I can't believe they sent this. This is so beautiful. And by the way, I don't know how to pronounce that word, so if any of y'all know how to do that, let me know. Let's see. Okay, Google. What does Nouveaux spell?
Nouveau is spelled Nouveau.
That's what I said. What is Nouveau? Okay, Google. What is Nouveau?
On the website novofoundation.org, they say, Novo is a Latin word that can mean to make anew, refresh, revive, change, alter, invent. To find out more, look for the link in your Google Home or Google Assistant app.
Okay, Linda, thank you. Alright, we have this beautiful, like, golden, golden velvet sachet pouch mojo bag, whatever you want to call it. It feels so good. You see that? You know it feels good. Oh my god. Alright, what it do? Yes, it's to keep the deck. It's to keep the deck in when it's not in use. The purpose of this pouch is to add a layer of protection from any outside energies that wish to intrude. That's nice. This means that only your hands or those that are extremely close should be trusted to physically touch them. This allows you to maintain your energy within the cards. This very act gives deeper meaning to the messages that you may receive. If you feel that you are carrying unwanted energy with you during a reading, be sure to cleanse your deck afterwards. This can be done before or after each session as you feel necessary. Okay, well, we're just gonna close this up and pop that in there. I might use these tonight or tomorrow. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Ah! Okay. Ew, move along. We got this. Is this an altar cloth, bitch? No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Oh my gosh. Look. Oh, wow. This is beautiful. Okay. That is absolutely gorgeous. Okay. This large tarot cloth. It's a tarot cloth. Alright, I thought it was the altar cloth, but it can be used as an altar cloth. It says this large tarot cloth has been included with this collection to be used with your golden Art Nouveau tarot cards. Although this is not absolutely necessary to use a tarot cloth, we truly believe and can testify that these tools add energy to your intention, which you may wish to include in your practice. Beautiful golden border, sacred symbols. It's so beautiful. Yes, it is very beautiful. Alright, and then we got this black. It's black tourmaline, I think. I already have a piece. Yes, it's black tourmaline crystal. I don't think I have a piece. Ew, that's beautiful. I have a piece, a raw piece up there, but this one's smaller. I have a big one. Ooh, hold on, let me catch it in the light. Ooh, yes, ma'am. That's beautiful. Okay. Alright, so black tourmaline crystal known as purification and protection stone. It's used to disperse negative energy and unbalanced energies that are carried within and without. They have placed a specific stone within this collection for you to place with your tarot cards so that you may create a field of protection around them, keeping them consecrated and sacred. That is beautiful, beautiful. Okay, now we got the incense. And these incense are where are you? It's called The Longest Night, because winter and the nights are long, It says this powerful incense was included with your collection to be used during your meditations during Yule. As the smoke from the incense wafts through your surroundings, take the time to rest upon the blessings and lessons that have presented themselves to you in the past months. Feel the overwhelming gratitude towards the opportunity and experiencing the coming months. Let's smell them, because that's the true test. I ripped it, bitch. Wow. Yup, I'm fuck with it. It smells good. Alright, and then we got a candle. She's black. To be honest, this was not ripping me up. It's not ripping. Alright, we got a black candle, all natural beeswax, it's still even got the little, Alright, and it comes with this incantation right there, and it says, of truth and tale, I am no. As I am, as I were, as the future's here to warn. Amidst the time of joy or pain, judges of old do not stay. A seeker of truth, of love, of fate, I am clear of mine. O tales of old, I am here to know the pressures of now, what the future may hold. For at this time I peer deep into my shadow to face demons in dread, heartbreak and sorrow. I fear not the straight told or told. I fear not what may sting. I ask only for those things that I most desperately need. So motive me. That was beautiful. She's empty. Okay. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I really love doing these because it's happy time and it makes I just like getting things in the mail that make me happy, you know? And that made me happy. And Witches Moonbox be putting their foot in the boxes. You know, they be putting their elbow in the boxes. And they're so pretty, they're so well done. Where is my thing? Okay, but yeah, they're so pretty, they're so well done. And I just love them every single freaking time. Alright, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Peace out, love you, bye. Oh, so